Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. What we'll be doing guys today, if you have a Ford guys or Lincoln with a 3.5 V6 engine guys, or even the 3.7 guys, and you're trying to replace bank 2, sensor 1, oxygen sensor 1 guys, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. So we have that Ford Edge now guys here. It uses that 3.5, but the same engine guys, okay, let's open the hood. The same engine's being used on Ford Flex, Ford Taurus, Ford Fusion Sport, Lincoln MKX, MKZ, MKS and MKT guys. It's unbelievable. Ford likes to use one engine on so many vehicles. So looking at the engine guys on the back side, okay, on the back side right here is bank 1, this is bank 2. Okay, why is that? Because the car is a front wheel drive or an all wheel drive car, it doesn't matter, but if it's a rear wheel drive, that engine will come this way. And the left side is always bank 1, the right side is bank 2. So now guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this engine. We have anything from timing chain replacement, water pump, which is timing chain driven, cylinder heads, all that stuff. Check it out on the channel. Let me explain now. This down there guys, this is your oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 1. This is the upstream oxygen sensor. We need to first disconnect the wire here. Okay, let me explain how you do that. Okay, you can see that thing on the back, push down, okay, down and then pull it apart. Now we need to use a special socket. This is amazing socket for oxygen sensors guys. You can find it listed, excuse me, in the description of the video below. So we'll get the socket on the extension. Sometimes those are super tight guys, not always, but sometimes, believe me, they're super tight. So we're going to go ahead. Okay, remove that hose a little bit out of the way and we'll go through that side. You can see how the socket will go over the cable and just get the guy loose. Okay, perfect. Once you guys get it loose, what's the cool thing about this? Okay, most of the times they'll start going by hand. Not always, but in many cases, guys. Okay, this is it, right there. This is oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 1, guys. That's how we remove it. Replacement is in reverse order, we took it apart. We'll have the part numbers and all that guys listed in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. So please check it out guys and see where we get our parts from. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video will save you some money and see you guys next time.